My warmest and most respectful greetings of a pleasant morning to all. Over the past weeks, we have been confronted with a number of unsettling developments from reports and conflicts to the rising cost of diesel. However, as we begin a new week, allow us to shift our focus to something more uplifting, a piece of good news that highlights an exemplary act of honesty and integrity that took place within our municipality. In line with the best practices of the Tourist Police Unit under the program entitled Honest Hearts and Honest Hands, we are honored to present a certificate of recognition to certain individuals who demonstrated exemplary honesty by returning a wallet containing of money and jewelry valued at 223,000 pesos to its rightful owner. Ito po ay nangyari noong April 25. Pumunta po sa opisina namin na report at sabi na walan po ng pera yung kanyang wallet containing a money of 83,000 plus alahas worth of 143. So nung pinuwenta namin, it's almost 223,000. So ang sabi ko, i-post natin ito sa Il Nido Forum. Kasi we have a lot of experiences na natutulungan kami ng Il Nido Forum na maibalik, okay, sa mga foreigners, so dito sa lokal. So, but meron po kaming doubt na sabi ko nga, baka hindi na natin makita yung pera, pero at least maibalik. Kasi kay ma'am, napaka-importante sa kanya yung national ID. Sabi niya, baka kahit yung national ID lang daw ay maibalik, okay na sa kanya. Pero nung bandang 6 o'clock, pinost nila at 7 o'clock in the evening, may nag-reply. Bumalik sila sa amin sa office at ang sabi, Sir, pinalik na po yung wallet, meron pong nakakita from Il Nido Forum, nag-post, nagkaroon ng connection. At nung pagbalik po ay wala pong kabawas-bawas na kahit piso. So nakakatuwa. So from that point on, lahat kami sa PNP, natuwa kami. Sabi ko, sige, let's award the certificate and hopefully na meron tayong ma-award sa kanila. So I would like to call on muna yung nawalan, yung mag-asawa na nandyan din ngayon. At alam ko, mag-a-award din sila dahil something doon sa nakapulot. And also, yung nakapulot naman na si Jonathan Cueva Tabangay. Ayan. Dito po kayo. Ito po yung nakapulot at tinurn over niya sa kanyang Chief Security na si Sir Jen Ian T. Gamarcha. Ayan. So si asawa ni Sir, sinabi niya doon sa misis niya, baka may mag-post sa Il Nido Forum. Ayan, abangan mo at i-chat mo. So, yun po yung nangyari. So, palakpakan po natin sila. At babasahin po ang... Gulat po. Certificate of Recognition. Siyempre, tatawagin natin ang ating Chief of Police. Ang ating Chief of Police is Sir Starsky Timbangaya to award the certificate. Also, the Deputy Chief of Police and our team leader from the Tourist Police, Sir S.P. Diaz, and of course, pwede po ba na dito sa harap i-award natin yung certificate? Ayan. Certificate of Recognition is presented to John Ian T. Camarcha, grateful of recognition of your exemplary honesty and integrity in returning a wallet containing a money of jewelry valued 223,000 pesos to its rightful owner. You're honest and reflects the best values of our community, embodies the spirit of Tourist Police Unit's best practice program, Honest Hearts and Honest Hands. Thank you for your honesty. You inspire trust. You make Il Nido a better place. Given this April 27, 2026 at Barangay Maligaya Municipal Building in Nido, Palawan, signed Emily M. Valdez, Police Captain, Chief Tourist Police.